In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of a new feature of cTrader, which is the cross-broker functionality. Now, this allows you to install one single installation of cTrader and connect to multiple brokers. Previously, you had to install different branded versions of cTrader for each broker. So now I have installed cTrader 4.51. To change the broker, I've registered with various brokers. You go to the top right-hand side of the screen and you select here. This will give you a drop-down list of all the brokers that I've signed up with. These are all demo accounts. So if I want to sign up now, if I want to connect to Skilling, I select Skilling. Now, before I do that, if you look on the left-hand side of the chart, you can see all the popular markets for the current broker, which is IC Markets. Now, the reasons you might want to switch brokers is that different brokers offer different symbols or different trading assets and symbols, and also different trading conditions. So you might want to switch brokers depending on your trading style. So I'm now going to switch to Skilling. So now I've done that, you can see that the broker has actually changed. Sorry, the the popular markets have changed on the left, and I'm now connected to the Skilling broker. Okay, that's a demonstration just to quickly show you how to change different broker using cTrader cross-broker functionality.